The 2007 Uplander. The Chevy Uplander comfortably seats 7 with a choice of individual captain's chairs or a 2-place bench seat in the second row. And it takes care of its passengers in a well-designed, nicely finished interior and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, keyless entry, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.